Hello guys, welcome back. So after your account is created, you will be able to see your Amazon homepage, right? So today I will teach you what all things are important in your Amazon homepage. I will not go deeply inside each and every step, but I will teach you each and everything which is important for you for selling on Amazon. So firstly, this is your homepage where you click on Amazon Seller Central India. So this is your homepage. So whenever you want to check anything related to your Amazon portal, this is your homepage. Okay. The first one is the sales. Okay. So it shows you daily how much in rupees you have done sale on Amazon. It can be 10,000, 12,000, 8,000, 20,000, 23,000. So a proper graph would be made for you over here. Second box is a marketplace. So right now it is one, and you can check it is India. So right now we are selling in India. In future, if you decide to go in multi countries, so automatically the backend would be the same and your number of marketplace would be added. Third box is open order, means how much order you have received but you have not yet processed. So make sure it should always be 0. So anytime it gets 2 or 3, please make sure you process each and every order. Next one is buyer message. If any buyer has any doubt related to your product, they can message you and that notification comes under buyer message. According to Amazon rule, you need to reply to your buyer within 24 hours. This is featured offer, so it keeps on changing. So it's totally on you how much offer you want to give. The next one is account health. This is an important box. This is an important part of Amazon account. So your account health is divided into 3 parts. Your account health is healthy, at risk, or deactivated. Healthy is the best level where you get good visibility and good orders. At risk means you are not following any policy of Amazon due to which Amazon has given you this error. So make sure you follow each and every policies of Amazon. And the third one is deactivated, means you have lost your selling rights on Amazon. So make sure your account never gets deactivated on Amazon. After that is customer feedback. So after a customer purchases your product, he can give 2 types of review. First is a product review which will appear on Amazon.in next to your products. Second one is seller review, which is known as customer feedback. If a seller is not happy with the seller, he has not packed the product properly or he has received a defective product, so he can give a review to seller as well. So the customer feedback is pretty much important. If your customer feedback is good, your visibility of your entire account is good. If your customer feedback is below 2, then the visibility and the order ratio of your entire store would be pretty much less. After that, it's total balance. After receiving 10 to 15 orders, the total payout amount which you will get, okay, so the amount will be mentioned over here, so it would be easier for you that how much amount I am going to receive from Amazon. And after that, the final box is global promotion sale. That means one marketplace, so it will just show you the total sale of India. But if you are selling in multi countries, then it will add up every amount and show you over here. So if you are selling in multi countries, so basically that box is for those sellers. Apart from this box, if you scroll down, so these are just small shortcuts, okay, so which these all things are mentioned in this 3 line as well. So we need to click on this 3 line. First one is catalog. Catalog means anything related to your listing. If you want to add a listing, if you want to add a listing in manual or bulk, if you want to change something in your listing, if you want to check whether you have got the approval of your GTIN or your brand approval, so add a listing, add a product, which manual listing, add a product via upload, that means bulk listing. Complete your draft. For example, if you have left your listing incomplete, so later again you can come back to Amazon Seller Central and complete your listing. View selling application. So this is a place where you can check whether you have received your GTN exemption or brand approval. Improve listing quality. This means Amazon has suggested you some changes in your listing. So right now I'm not going to teach you each and everything. I'm just going to teach you what are things are important for you as a new seller on Amazon. If you start selling, if you keep on coming on Amazon daily, by default you will learn each and everything in detail, and later in our course we are going to cover maximum everything, so you have no doubt regarding anything in Amazon. So in inventory, it is manage all inventory. That means if you want to change any inventory of any of your product, you can go there. Any product which are live on Amazon comes under manage all inventory. So in orders, first one is manage order. If you receive any order, it will come under manage order, and in the front home page also. In open order, you will be able to know how many orders have been there you need to process. Below you can see manage return. If any customer is applying for return, you will get a notification over here. Last one is manage safety claim. That means if you receive a wrong product or a damaged product, you have to go in manage safety claim and apply to Amazon, and Amazon will give you the claim. Next to order is advertising. That means campaign manager. You need to go to campaign manager to start your advertising, which is automatic and manual in Amazon. If your listing is live on Amazon, you can convert your listing to A+ listing. Right, so for that earlier Amazon used to ask for trademark, but now anyone with a proper GTN exemption can apply for A+ listing. If you want to run any deals, coupons or any promotions on Amazon, you can select from here. In reports column, first one is payment. So in payment, Amazon will tell you in which date how much amount you will receive. The report is completely related to payment. After that is business report, which is more important. Amazon will give you each and every detailed report of your business, each and every product in Amazon which are live, how many clicks do you got, how many impression you have, what is the viewership of your that particular product. Amazon will complete report for your product in business report. Second last one is tax document library. After the end of every month, the amount which you paid to Amazon as a GST, Amazon will give you the perfect invoice where you can go to your CA and ask for the claim. Next one is performance. So over here, account health, which we saw in our homepage as well. This is very important. Another important point in this performance is performance notification. If you got any violation or if your account is suspended, Amazon will notify everything in this performance notification, where you have to go and reply to Amazon in a proper manner. Apart from this, nothing is such important. So I have shared all the things which are important for you to start your Amazon business. Apart from that, nothing is important for now. Okay, laterly on our course, we will learn each and everything. So this was just the basic of Amazon account. Apart from that, our main important is to grow your business on Amazon. So make sure open order is the important point where we need to keep our attention to, and we need to grow number of open orders so we can process number of open order daily and our Amazon account will grow. So make sure you have written everything in your book or on your mobile, as this was just a preview of your homepage on Amazon. So this is just for your knowledge. So please mention down below what all things you learned, whether it was important video for you or not. Thank you so much.